Now, the world news. Germany's top court has just rejected a series of lawsuits over bailouts it gave the Greek and Irish economies last year. Al Jazeera's Nick Spicer is live in Karlsruhe, where Germany's Federal Constitutional Court is based. Joins us now live with the latest. Nick, so these lawsuits, as was expected, rejected. What are the motivations of the judges for rejecting them?
They said that there was no basis to prevent what had happened in May 2010, which was the bailout of Greece, and there is to be a vote this month on a European Financial Instability Fund. And the judges said that those things could go ahead, that there wasn't anything unconstitutional under German law or under EU treaties with the way the government had participated in those bailouts or had planned future bailouts. However, the judges did say that the German parliament should be more involved in future bailouts, and we expect there will be more of those given the way the European economy is going. So this is really something that is going to cause the German Chancellor Angela Merkel to breathe a sigh of relief. She is expected to speak momentarily. The euro rose slightly on news of this decision. It is something that is going to make life not necessarily easier for her, but it is not the setback that some had feared, where she would have her hands tied by the German parliament and be unable to negotiate deals in an urgent manner.
And as you say, Nick, she's been under a great deal of pressure over these bailouts from the German public. Tell us about the people who filed these lawsuits, and is that the general sentiment among Germans that, you know, the country is perhaps doing too much for Europe?
Well, the people who filed the lawsuits are 5 professors and a Bavarian politician, and it has been a bit of a lonely crusade for them. They tried to stop the creation of the euro, and we all know it's in our pockets and wallets now. That failed. And they don't like now the way the eurozone is being run, which is basically the richer, more prosperous and more responsible economies, which, if you will, are having to bail out those who spent too much money and can't raise the money they need on the bond markets to finance their government. So the professors and that one politician are unhappy about that. That it is a bit of a minority opinion here, where people here are generally in Germany favorable towards Europe, but they're lost when it comes to Angela Merkel's leadership on the issue. It's widely seen that she needs to persuade people that the euro is a good thing, that it's in Germany's interest to continue participating in it, if only to maintain its exports. And she faces a challenge even within her own party, where there is to be a vote on the European Financial Instability Fund later this month, and some 25 members in the coalition have said they won't necessarily vote for it. So she may have to embarrassingly rely on opposition votes to get that critical legislation passed.
Okay, thank you very much, Nick Spicer, live for us in Karlsruhe.
Thank you.